So basically what it is you highlight all the data by clicking the top, and then you press insert. And pivot will automatically, once you press that, it automatically creates everything you need, so you don't touch anything but OK. When you touch OK, it creates a new page by itself, and it gives you this kind of screen thing. So this is a list of everything that was on that page. And normally what I do is I create a page where I want to see department codes first. So this is the values. So the values usually add up, or I can do the rows, which tell me the codes, right? So I always want it in the row, the codes. And then I put, I think, earn amount. But to get the actual dollar amount, you have to click this I and then put sum. Press OK. And it tells me the actual dollar amounts for those departments. Sometimes I go and be fancy and just click this dollar sign just so it looks like dollars. And then I'll go up here, I'll merge to center and put part-time hours. And then I look for the date. So it was this last pay period. I don't know what it was. It's like 11/19 through, I don't know, 11/30 or something like that. And then this gives me a full list. The beauty of a pivot table, and the reason why I like to send it to them like this, is because after school projects spent $3,500 in part-time hours. If you double click that number, it gives them just after school who it was, departments, everything, all the details. So when I send this list to them, they're not looking at all these numbers like that.
Right.
They can look at just their department.
Right.
So that's why I like to make the pivot table.